Okay, so hello and welcome to another new and exciting video. And this time it's something very new. Actually, I've never did it before. And so yeah, like इस वीडियो में मेरी जो अभी तक मेरा श्योर नहीं है, क्योंकि ये वीडियो में जो चीज़ मैं कर रहा हूँ उसके बीच में बना रहा हूँ, तो हो सकता है कि वो चीज़ ख़त्म ना हो या फिर ये वीडियो शायद कभी रिलीज़ ही ना हो. बट स्टिल आई वांट टू कवर दिस एवरीथिंग बाय प्रोसेस की क्या क्या हो रहा है. एंड या जैसे कि आपने ये टाइटल में देख ही लिया होगा कि दिस इन दिस वीडियो आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट माय हैकाथॉन एक्सपीरियंस. एंड या सो फ्रॉम पास्ट 7 or 8 years I've been watching Harnoor, and his YouTube channel is Sing in USA, and I really like his content and the way he tries to explore the thing. I really admire him, and मैंने उसकी वीडियो में देखा that he participates in lot of this hackathons and he have a lot of experience regarding coding. And as I am a BSc computer science student, so sometimes I also feel like I should try some this hackathon, or try to get familiar to this coding field also, because till now, from the beginning of the college, I've not been into coding much. मैं सारी चीज़ों में घुस गया हूँ. मैंने मार्केटिंग कर ली, मैंने सेल्स कर लिया है, मैंने पब्लिक स्पीकिंग कर ली है, बट जो मेरा एक्चुअली मेन फील्ड है BSc कंप्यूटर साइंस कोडिंग, इन दैट आई हैव नॉट एक्सप्लोर्ड मच. So I thought अभी मेरा second year start हो गया, then I should start focusing on coding, and I should start looking for some opportunities in that. So ऐसे ही I'm a part of a community called Code Asylum, and it's a national community, and basically it's organized various events, and they have a package of courses which they sell online, and anyone who's interested to learn, they can purchase the course and they can learn. And basically there is another site that they organize event and they want to build a coding community. So I am a campus ambassador for Lovely Professional University for Code Asylum. So basically recently, today is 26th, and recently, uh, 3 or 4 days before, in the Code Asylum group, there was one poster shared by one of our community members, that there is a hackathon organized by NASA, and the name of the hackathon is NASA App Challenge, NASA Space App Challenge. And I saw this and I was interested. I know everything is going on virtually, so why don't I give it a try and look for it. So मैंने वो poster देखा, and with that there was one message about this hackathon, and I visited the website, and मैंने थोड़ा बहुत देखा website, and there I got to know basic idea that what is this website, this hackathon mostly focused on, and what are the things they are targeting to achieve in this hackathon. So they had a website, and the website is actually pretty good. I will be keep sharing photos from here or somewhere, as I speak or share the things, I will be adding the photos over here. So I visited the website, and gone through all the things which they have uploaded. So basically the hackathon is there are many problem statements related to many things like communication, create, or build, or something as a actual hackathon goes. So there are problem statements, and in that problem statements there are sub problem statements. So, and there are plenty amount of options which we can select, and come up with participate for the hackathon. So I've gone through that, but as I said, I was not much into coding, and I don't know much of the coding. So but I know I have different skills like graphic designing, marketing, sales, and uh, like uh, like they had a WhatsApp group basically for this hackathon. So मैंने WhatsApp group ज्वाइन किया, and वहाँ पर admins होते हैं. So I approached one of them admin, and I explained her my situation, that ki I'm not into much coding, and I know this things, and I asked should I participate, or what tips and she you can give me. On दीदी ने बताया कि yeah, it's not a big deal, it's your first experience. Many people don't know about coding, and still they try to get into this hackathon for the experience, and you can also go for it. So मैंने पूछा कि like what are the basic criteria. So basic criteria was that you must need a team, and the minimum is like you need 2 members and maximum 6 members to participate for this hackathon. And yeah, that was the basic criteria. एंड सो फिर मैंने अपने कॉलेज के दोस्तों से लाइक बात करना स्टार्ट किया कि लाइक इफ एनीवन इंटरेस्टेड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस टीम. आई कॉन्टेक्टेड many friends who were like into coding, or they were my good friends, and I thought that they will be interested. But no, actually no one was interested because of their personal reasons, that some of them were having exams, or someone was not free actually at that time. They were busy in their internships or something. So then I said it's okay, no, fine. Now, so last night was the last date or the deadline to register for the team. And like till yesterday I was like trying to get members from my college, and I realized that no one is going to be part of the team because no one is interested. Then I started texting, like I created one message. I will add it over here. And I created a message that I'm Vishal Kumar Chaudhary, and I have this skills, can I join your team? And like I texted many like around 50 or 60 people from that group, that I can join. And I got very less responses, and like there were people who responded, and they asked like, do you know how to do this specific thing related to coding? And I was like, मैंने वो पहली बार सुना था. And I said that no, actually I don't know much about coding. And they said, okay, so sorry, we cannot take you in our team because we need member who know the skills. Then I said it's okay, totally fine. Then like I got two friend like people who were like interested, but they were also like me, and they did not had a team. But the thing was, they also they were also not, उनको भी coding अच्छे से आती नहीं थी, and they were like confused that should they participate or not. Then I said, oh, it's like try करके देखते हैं क्या जा रहा है. Like it will be our first experience, and there is one qualifying round. If we qualify that round, we will be assigned a mentor who can guide us with all the things which we will be going to do in the future related to this hackathon. So I just motivated them that let's try. And like till now, like no one was interested, and it was like around 9:30 in the night, and the deadline was 12 p.m. like रात के 12 बजे. So I like फिर मैंने और लोगों को टेक्स्ट किया. Then I met a girl, and वो हरियाणा से थी, and she also had 2 members, and she was also looking for a team. So I had 2 friends, 2 people who were interested. So I asked her like, will you be interested to join our group, join a team? And she said yes, and she added all of them. And finally we had a team of 6 people by 10:30 or 11. And I asked everyone to send their details so that we can register for the team, for the challenge. And then I like again went through all the problem statements, because we need to give the problem statement which we will be working on, so while we are registering. So I found this a very unique challenge, which was creating a mascot. So like a mascot, that in that challenge, I think that there is not much requirement of coding or something. We can do like if we have a knowledge about market and research and what are the things related to mascot, we can do it. And we had a member who know a bit about this web development or Android development and no designing. So I thought like agar it's not much focused on coding, and if we all collectively do some work, then yeah, we can still participate in this event, and we can actually qualify the first round and get some experience out of that. So yeah, till now the approach is that आज शाम को हमारा फर्स्ट क्वालिफाइंग राउंड है, दैट वी नीड टू प्रेजेंट आवर आइडिया. एंड अगर जजेस को हमारा आइडिया अच्छा लगता है, सो दे विल बी फॉरवर्डिंग अस, एंड वी विल बी गेटिंग अ मेंटर हु कैन guide us through all the events. And yeah, till now that thing is done. And अभी like and I got a very good team that वो सारे मुझे बहुत जल्दी रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहे हैं. And I like I'm acting as a team leader in that team, because like I thought that क्योंकि उनमें से सारे बहुत थोड़े बिजी थे एंड आई वॉज एक्चुअली वेरी इंथुजियास्टिक एंड आई वॉज वेरी मच interested, so I can give much time to this. So I thought, and I'm like till now I'm coordinating everything in this team or something. And so till now we have not had our first teammate, but we have a team and we have registered successfully on the website, and we have created our logo and card something, which, and our team name is Targaryens, which is inspired from my last Isaac department name. And yeah, till now the progress is still that, and I'm thinking to have a फर्स्ट टीममेट सून, सो दैट हम सारे डिस्कस कर सकें कि लाइक किस किस के पास कौन कौन सी ज़्यादा बेटर नॉलेज है, and so that we can present our idea by 6:30, and if we qualify we can go ahead with the further processes. And yeah, like I know this video can get a bit long, so stay tuned guys, and अभी तक की बस इतनी प्रोग्रेस है. So yeah, see ya अगर कुछ अपडेट होता है तो. Okay, so just a quick update. Now the time is 3:46 and we just got done with our first team meet, and it was great. And I'm glad that out of 6 team members, 5 attended the team meet, and I was not expecting that, because especially when you work with like some strangers or random people, you don't expect that they will be attending, but I'm glad that they attended the meet. And yeah, we discuss about a problem statement and what are the things we can do, when basic many things, get to know each other. And yeah, so like now everyone have got their task, that what they have to do for today, and we just hope that we complete that by time, and we qualify the first round, so that we can, in the second round we will having a mentor who can guide us, and we can achieve we can like actually perform well in this hackathon. Still, like I'm thinking that the team I have got, we can actually win this hackathon, but I'm not sure that if the same spirit continues like in the forward also. So yeah, बस वही है अभी तक. So let's see क्या होता है. Okay, so hello guys. What to say, like I'm still confused, like how can I go ahead with this video, because like the last video, the last take which you saw just before, which I shot yesterday, and today is 27th Sunday, and now the time is 11:30 in the night, and like the day was so busy, I didn't get a time to shoot the video. So coming back to the hackathon in the progress. So what happened yesterday, there was some network issues, or there was some problem from the backend team, from the organizing team. So our slot was like 6:30 to 7:30. We were like, our time was there to present our idea and the presentation, but it was like postponed to tomorrow, like Sunday, which is today. So today our time slot was 10:30 to 12. So yeah, like after getting some extra time, we worked on the presentation. I will be showing the presentation over here, because I'm actually doing something on laptop right now, so I cannot skip that. So I did some update on the presentation, and yeah, like everything was like ready, and मैं अपने लैपटॉप के साथ रेडी भी था कि दैट अगर जैसे ही हमारा आएगा, आई विल connect to my laptop and I will present from my laptop, and I will like present. but हाँ, मैंने बैकअप के लिए मैंने अपने टीम मेंबर्स को भी दे रखा था, और मैंने ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी में भी एक दीदी को मैंने वो भेज दिया था कि some network issue happens, you can present the screen and I will explain. And hopefully, like I will say what happened, like at the time of presentation my network, like Jio क्या ही बोलना, but my network was very bad, like I was not able to even text a WhatsApp message, and that time like I was really like scared that how are we going to do, and the whole work for the day will be wasted. But still, like I went out and I got good network, but because of that I was connecting, I was connecting from my phone, and I was presenting from my phone, and I asked one of the members from the team that to present the slide, and I can actually say and uh, explain the things. So we presented our idea, and the great thing was that the judges really liked our idea, and they were like really happy whatever things we done and whatever things we created till now. And they said you are qualified. They gave us some of the feedbacks that you should have worked on this, you should have worked on this. And even I noticed that yeah, we would have done better. But it's fine that we the team was very new, we didn't knew anything, and still we were able to complete everything and able to present our task. That's something, a big thing, and we qualified the first round. And soon a mentor will be assigned to us, and I'm very happy for that, because if we get a mentor, he can guide us through all the things, the problems we have, or coming up with the solution for the problem statement. So yeah, the progress is that till now. And tomorrow I think we will be going to have our next meet where we will be deciding what's the way forward. And yeah, nothing much happened, like we just qualified for the next round. And yeah, that's all. So Helen, welcome back to the vlog. And today is like 4th October, and today was the last day for the hackathon. And yeah, so like around 7:30, like the 7 o'clock the closing ceremony was started, and around 7:30, 7:30 or 7:45 everything was done, and the winner were declared. So like I was not shooting the video from since the we had our pre-hackathon, which was on 26th, 27th. And after that, many things happened in between, and now I'm like directly coming to the closing one. So I will now share what happened after the pre-hackathon. So once we qualified the pre-hackathon, we got the feedback, and we like in working on that. And after like in the pre-hackathon we were just, हमें बस वो करना था कि like हमें अपना आइडिया प्रेजेंट करना था. अगर वो आइडिया अच्छा लगता तो हम जाके नेक्स्ट राउंड के लिए क्वालिफाई होते. सो हमारा आइडिया अच्छा था, हमने क्वालिफाई तो हो गए, लेकिन जब प्री हैकाथन ख़त्म हुआ एंड व्हेन वी हैव टू एक्चुअली इम्प्लीमेंट दैट, जब हमें लाइक हमारे हैकाथन के 2 पार्ट थे कि लाइक फर्स्ट डिज़ाइनिंग का मैस्कॉट, जो लाइक विच वाज द एक्चुअल थिंग, and second part was like how to implement that to a practical thing. So for that we thought that we will create a website, and with the website there will be a storyline, and according to the storyline you will get to learn the thing. So that's basically what was our idea. But when we actually started working on that, तो like मुझे पता चला, like when I was like asking all of them like what are the things you can contribute to this, and there I got to know that हम में से जो all of us 6, we no one already actually knew how to create a website. So like I have मैंने starting में सोच लिया था कि that I will be creating the mascot with the suggestions like through whatever designing illustration which I know, उसके हिसाब से मैं बना दूंगा, and storyline will be like held by someone else. But actually the website was which like there were 3 people, they actually said in the starting that they knew how to create a website, but afterward they also realized that जितना उन्हें आता था उससे ये वेबसाइट जो हम चाहते थे वैसी वेबसाइट नहीं बन सकती. So that was the big drawback which I will say. And फिर क्या हुआ, and after that everyone got busy with their classes and all that, and I was trying to like engage everyone. Like I was constantly asking that okay, if we are not able to do the website, कुछ और suggest करो. And I was like asking everyone, but no one was actually फॉलोइंग अप और रिप्लाइंग. और जिससे कि क्या हुआ कि हमारी टीम जो स्टार्टिंग में बहुत अच्छी चल रही थी, दैट ब्रोक अपार्ट, लाइक नॉट ब्रोक अपार्ट, उसमें कनेक्टिंग वो मिस हो गया. एंड जिसकी वजह से हम जो चाहते थे कि दैट वी विल बी एंड हमारा ये ऐसा कुछ होगा, वो हम नहीं बना पाए. एंड बट इट्स कूल, क्योंकि लाइक आई नो दैट एवरीवन हैड द क्लासेस और हर कोई टाइम नहीं निकाल पाता. so those all things happened, and then like हमें mentor assign कर दिया था when we qualified the pre-hackathon. Like after 1 or 2 days हमें mentor मिल गए थे. Then like I talked, like as it all the team leaders were added in the group where they can actually talk to mentors. So I was added in the group and मैंने mentor से discuss किया. I shared my idea. Mentor said like the idea is good, but उस टाइम क्या हो गया था, like we had a meet on second, like जब hackathon start होने के बाद ही like we can actually took advice from the mentor, and mentor जो भी like help होता हम ले पाते. So on the like after 27 directly I had a talk with the mentor on second. Then he suggested like until that time हमारी वो जो वेबसाइट की वीडियो थी, लाइक जो वेबसाइट हमें बनाना था वो रेडी नहीं हुआ था. लाइक हमारा कोड वोड कुछ था नहीं वेबसाइट प्रेजेंट करने के लिए. देन लेकिन मैंने उस टाइम तक अपना मैस्कॉट बना लिया था, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ टीममेट्स हमने स्टोरी लाइन भी रेडी कर ली थी दैट वी विल बी प्रेजेंटिंग दिस स्टोरी लाइन. सो लाइक हाफ ऑफ द पार्ट वाज डन, बट एक्चुअल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन वाज नॉट डन, एंड विच इज़ एक्चुअली इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द हैकाथॉन, क्योंकि हमें ज़्यादा टेक्निकल स्किल्स पे, जो टेक्निकली हमने जितना बनाया है उस पर जज किया जाता है. सो ही सेड कि लाइक अभी तो तुम ज़्यादा कुछ कर नहीं सकते हो, जस्ट ट्राई टू इम्प्लीमेंट मोर ऑफ, लाइक तुम इसको कितना इन्हांस कर सकते हो अपने लेवल पे उतना कर दो, एंड सेंड मी द फाइनल फाइल बाय थर्ड. सो लाइक हमने जितना भी, लाइक हमने थोड़ा और जो अपनी स्लाइड थी पहली स्लाइड, अब मैं जो अपनी हमारी फाइनल स्लाइड थी वो मैं लास्ट वाली स्लाइड नहीं दिखा पाऊँगा बिकॉज ऑफ सम लाइक टीम में कुछ लाइक देर आर सम इशूज़, जिसकी वजह से मैं वो स्लाइड प्रेजेंट नहीं कर पाऊँगा. बट स्टिल लाइक हमने जो पहली स्लाइड थी जो आपने पहले वीडियो में देखी उससे थोड़ी बहुत बेटर बना दी थी विथ कंसिडरिंग ऑल द फीडबैक एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड फिर मैंने अपने मेंटर को भेजी, अभिषेक सर जो हमारे मेंटर थे. देन ही सेड दैट ही अप्रिशिएटेड दैट जो सर ने फीडबैक बताया था, लाइक हमने बहुत जल्दी वो काम कर लिया था उस पर. एंड द फाइनल थिंग विच वी प्रेजेंटेड लाइक वन डे के ड्यूरेशन में जो भी हमने जितना अपग्रेड किया था, विच वॉज हमने एक एनिमेशन वीडियो बना ली थी अपने हैकाथॉन अपने मैस्कॉट की. हमने अच्छे किसी स्टोरी लाइन अच्छे से प्रेजेंट कर दी थी उस या लाइक दोज ऑल थिंग हैपेंड. एंड ही सेड लाइक एक्चुअली यू गाइस डिड अ ग्रेट वर्क, बट ही सेड दैट इफ लाइक हमने वो इम्प्लीमेंट कर दिया होता तो वो ज़्यादा बेटर होता. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट एंड द कॉम्पिटिशन वॉज हाई, so we were not qualified in the phase 1 and the competition was very high. So हम phase 1 qualify नहीं कर पाए थे, but still like the Abhishek sir gave us the feedback and he said like if in future don't like stop here, you can still try to improve that and we can actually present that in some other hackathon, or we can like add that in our portfolio that we did something like this. So yeah, those like हमारी जर्नी वहाँ तक थी as a team and for this hackathon. And today the fourth and आज finally like closing ceremony हुई and we got to know who are the winners and who will be representing Pune, like NASA Space Up Challenge from Pune on a global level. So I will be adding like some of those closing ceremony clips so you can have a look. And coming to the whole conclusion of this hackathon experience was, first thing, if you are participating in any hackathon, you must like तुम बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान दो कि तुम्हारी टीम जो है उसमें बॉन्डिंग अच्छी हो. एंड दिस at least you have people from different varieties. like अगर किसी को वेब डेवलपमेंट आती है तो उसको like not just a beginner level is enough for any hackathon, but थोड़ा बहुत like actually you can create a website that will be better. He or she can create a website that will be much better. Like if you're making a team, try to include people who have from different things. like किसी को अच्छे से वेब डेवलपमेंट आना चाहिए, किसी को एंड्रॉइड डेवलपमेंट आना चाहिए, which will be much better. So but still if you have another skills, like मुझे वेब डेवलपमेंट या फिर एंड्रॉइड डेवलपमेंट कुछ नहीं आता था, and still I participated in this hackathon, and I am glad that I participated because throughout hackathon I got to learn, I cannot even say like very important and minor important things. I got to learn जितना मुझे गूगल स्लाइड यूज़ करना आता था मुझे अब उससे बहुत ज़्यादा आता है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस, क्योंकि हम लोग एक टीम पे काम कर रहे थे, लाइक वी ऑल वर वर्किंग ऑन सेम स्लाइड ऑन क्लाउड एंड जिसके और जो मेंटर्स के हमें फीडबैक मिले थे उसके हिसाब से मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने मिला, हाउ टू मेक अ एक्चुअल स्लाइड और endless things like how to be like I feel that as a team leader which I was of our team, I didn't, अब लाइक आई ट्राइड एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम माई साइड, जैसे कि मैं टीम को कितना एंगेज कर सकूँ और एवरीथिंग। आई वॉज लाइक बीइंग, मैं किसी से भी लाइक हार्श नहीं हो रहा था, आई वॉज जस्ट आस्किंग इफ यू कैन डू एंड आई वॉज लाइक दिस वॉज ऑल्सो माई फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस एंड आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू गेट इनपुट फ्रॉम एवरी वन बट एक्चुअली नो वन वॉज शेयरिंग अप एंड एट दैट नोट ऑफ डे मुझे ही प्लान करना पड़ रहा था कि लाइक हाउ कैन वी प्रोसीड विद द थिंग्स। सो लाइक कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी गलती थी दैट इफ आई वुड हैव, मैं थोड़ा टीम बिल्डिंग पे ज़्यादा काम करता तो रिजल्ट्स वुड हैव बीन बेटर बट नो इश्यूज, every we learn with every experience and this was also a good experience for me and I know how what are the things I have to work in the future. So yeah, this concluding all over the things, this hackathon was a good learning for me and experience and yeah, like I will get the, we as a team will get the certificate of this hackathon by tomorrow and by at the time I'm like editing this video I will definitely try to include that certificate. So yeah, and congratulations to the team and the organizing committee who actually organized this hackathon and it was very smooth, everything was fine, the mentors were very good, they, जैसे जो मैं मैसेज कर रहा था आई वॉज गेटिंग रिस्पॉन्स नॉट इंस्टेंटली बट बहुत जल्दी रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा था एज अ लाइक ही वॉज द मेंटर जो थे वो भी लाइक किसी बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के कुछ काम, लाइक उनको भी काम रहता था बट स्टिल दे वर टेकिंग आउट टाइम एंड हेल्पिंग द टीम विच वॉज समथिंग ग्रेट एंड आई मेड गुड कनेक्शंस with my team members and other organizing committee members. So yeah, hopefully in future अगर कुछ ऐसा हो तो I can perform better and so yeah, as overall my first hackathon experience was great, I will say, and a good enough of learning which I've got and I will definitely, which will definitely help me in any future competition, challenge, hackathon which I will be participating. And so yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know this video is a bit long and but still like this is the only thing I'm still learning, like how to cut down the video and how to keep it short and crisp, but I'm still learning. So yeah, if you guys are still here, thank you so much for watching this video and see you soon in the next video. Take care.